Should you buy a new or used car? It depends on your needs and preferences, but there are plenty of good vehicles out there either way. Money.com has an article that talks about what's best with either option. New cars provide greater security than buying used. They come with warranties and have never been used by another driver, and have the full backing of the manufacturer if something goes wrong. Plus, if the latest tech or safety feature is a must, it might only be available in the new models. Perhaps what's best about buying a new car is that new car smell and the pride of ownership. If you're not glued to the idea of buying a new car, used vehicles have their own benefits. Buying used is less of a risk than it used to be. And don't forget to allow us to lower that risk by doing a pre-purchase inspection for the car you want. And the original factory warranty on a new auto is often transferable to a second owner if purchased from a used car dealer. Used vehicles are less expensive due to depreciation. Even a 1-year-old used car will be 20 to 30% cheaper than when it was new. And depending on the financial situation, it's easier to get approved for a lower cost used car loan.
I'm Brad Heimbigner. Klahanie Chevron is here to help you, which is why we offer monthly car tips videos.